Hello and namaste, beautiful yogis. Today's practice targets the lower part of our body, the biggest muscle of our body, the legs. If you're in a profession that requires you to stand for long hours, or even otherwise, if you feel that your legs are very tired, if you've walked a lot, you may be very tempted to sit up and curl up on a couch. However, gentle stretches and strengthening can definitely help you feel better and relieve some of that pain in your legs. So let's begin the practice. Let's begin with a few breaths. Sit in any comfortable seated posture. You can sit cross-legged. Keep your palms over the knees. Big breath in. And exhale. One more time. And exhale. And again. And exhale. Wonderful. From there, extend your legs in front. Curl the toes up. Keep your knees slightly bent. And gently bend over. Just bend over. Relaxing here. Just a gentle stretch for your legs. If you want, you can extend the legs a little more. Couple more breaths. And come up. Wonderful. From there, we'll start to loosen our hips slightly. So bring one leg, fold your leg, bend it at the knee. If you cannot bring the leg any higher, cannot bring the ankle any higher, then hold it here and just rock side to side. Right? You can rock it up and down. If you have the flexibility, bring the foot inside the elbow, hug your leg and still rock. See that your spine is straight and you're rocking easily, and maybe a little bit of up and down. And gently release, changing the sides. So holding the foot and just rocking side to side, just letting the hip loose. You can bring it inside the elbow if you can, otherwise continue in the previous position, and a little bit of up and down. Front and back, side to side. And gently release. Shake your legs. From there we move on to the tabletop. We go here. Tabletop. Stretch one leg at a time. So stretching the right leg, moving from front to back. Just stretching the calves. Push your heel back so that you can feel the stretch in the whole leg. At the same time, be gentle. Don't overdo it. Just trying to activate, changing sides. And if you feel comfortable from here, you can move into downward facing dog. So you can just tuck your toes in and lift the knees off the floor and push yourself back. If your knees are bent, don't bother about it. Just walk your feet in place, bringing one heel down at a time. If it doesn't come down, it's okay. Just stretch it to the maximum. Gentle walking. If this is too difficult for you, please continue the previous practice in the tabletop position. There's always an option. Be very gentle. Couple more breaths. You're doing good. Stay with me. And come down. Excellent. From there we move on to legs up the wall pose. You can go to a wall if you have one. Otherwise, be on the floor. Just bend your knees, bring your knees in and extend your legs. You don't need to straighten them completely. Just be comfortable. Once you feel comfortable, you can straighten them. Otherwise, stay with knees softly bent. You can use a belt here, you can use your palms just to support your legs. Anytime that your feet are tired and your legs are tired, putting your legs up in the air is the best thing you can do for them, just to reverse the blood flow. Stay for a few more breaths. You can straighten one leg at a time. Just gently stretching your legs. And very gently from there come down. Taking your knees at 90-degree angle, crossing one leg over the other. So you're bringing the ankle of the right leg just above the knee of the left leg. And you're going to hold your left leg from behind the thigh, clasping your fingers and bringing the thigh inward. Keep your toes flexed, curling the toes in. Excellent stretch for your glutes. Keep breathing. You can keep pulling the knee as close as it would come. And relax. From there, bring your knees over. So crossing your knees in the air, right knee over the left, and hold both your ankles. Once you've held both your ankles, pull your ankles closer to your body. This is Supine Gomukhasana. Just pull your ankles closer to your body and keep breathing here. Big breath in. Big breath out. Two more. And release. And we change sides. So bringing the left ankle just above the right knee, hugging the right leg from behind, curling the toes in for both the feet and bringing the right thigh in, right knee in towards the chest. Keep breathing. And releasing for Supine, Gomukhasana, bringing the left knee over the right this time. One side may be more difficult than the other, depending on which hip is tighter for you. Holding the ankles, pulling the ankles closer to the floor. Keep breathing. Just 5 breaths. You can stay longer if you want to. And releasing. From there, bringing the soles of your feet together, using your elbows to open your knees out. Reclined, bound angle pose or butterfly pose. Just stay here. If you feel your hands are not reaching, use a belt this way. Just use a belt and keep opening your knees out. Stay here and breathe. Let your knees keep opening more and more. Keep pulling the feet closer. And take off your belt. Keep it on the side. From there, bring your knees together. Opening your knees out, hold your feet from the inside and you're pushing your knees towards the floor. So keep pushing the knees towards the floor. Your feet are facing up towards the ceiling so that they can actually stamp on the ceiling if the need be so. Okay. Keep pushing your knees down towards the floor. Keep breathing in the happy baby pose. If both the legs are too difficult, you can do one leg at a time. You can release the other leg, keep it down, keep pushing one leg at a time. Otherwise, hold both the legs. And gently release, bringing your knees together, bring your feet down. Relax in the final posture, Savasana. Keeping your feet away from each other, mat width apart, arms slightly away from the body, shoulders close to the floor, lower back close to the floor. Back of the head on the floor, chin towards the chest. You can stay here as long as you want to, as long as you need to. You can come out whenever you're ready. Each of the poses done with the legs up in the air can be done from anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. I hope this practice helps relieve some of your leg pain in case you're experiencing. Do let me know in comments below. How did you like it? Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you and namaste.